Hey y'all, it's Danielle. Welcome back to another video. If you've been following my channel for any amount of time, then you know that this has been a super long journey for us, but we are finally in our new house and it is beautiful. So let's go ahead and get started and I'll show you guys around. For the countertops, we chose to go with the standard option, which was granite, and this one I think is called Dallas Moonstone. This is like a grayish kind of, it has some burgundy tones and it pulls from the wood because we chose like a cool toned dark brown, and we just love the way it looks with the floors and the stainless steel appliances. It looks really good. So again, the island is really big. I love the fact that both sides of it have these shelves so that we can add some stuff here. We could also add a cabinet door if we wanted to cover that up. And then in the middle here, this also has cabinets. So there's a ton of storage in this kitchen. So these are usable cabinets. Everything is soft close. Here's the shelves on this side. Stainless steel appliances came standard for us. So we have a stainless steel fridge, stainless steel double ovens, stainless steel microwave, gas cooktop 30-inch, also stainless steel. And a stainless steel dishwasher. All the appliances are GE. And the stove or the double ovens are actually Wi-Fi enabled, so they are smart appliances, which means that we could operate them from our phones. We could like turn them on and off and like preheat the oven, stuff like that from our phones once the internet is hooked up. Another thing I really like about this kitchen is that it comes with these really deep drawers, which are for like pots and pans and stuff like that. I already put some in here. I bought all new pots and pans, so those are in there. So we got 2 of those underneath the cooktop, and then we also have a bunch of just normal cabinets, and all of them have these pull-out shelves on the bottoms. So all the, that's not soft close. All the lower cabinets have those pull-out shelves, and then the upper cabinets are just like normal, just normal cabinets. And here is the pantry. We chose to go with the frosted glass pantry door, which was an upgrade. And then it's in an L shape on the inside. So it's pretty big. You can actually get inside of it. And there's room to like turn around in here. So it's a good size. I love the fact that we have these drawers that we can put like silverware or spices in, and we can be really organized now because we have so much space in this kitchen. There's also some outlets on the side, and they're like these, they put the dark color plates to make it kind of blend in with the island. Here's another of those. There's cabinets all around the island, and they all are like big, and they have these deep shelves, and it's really nice. And then they even included a, what's this thing called? Fire extinguisher underneath the kitchen sink. So I thought that was like a cool little touch that they added in, because I was already like looking at these on Amazon. I was gonna buy one, but now I don't have to. Now right off the kitchen is our breakfast room. So this is where we're gonna put our table and chairs and stuff. This is gonna be like our daily eating area. It is completely lined with windows all around. So super bright, which is why when I'm facing it, it gets dark. But when I'm facing away from it, it's really bright. And then right off the kitchen is the mud room. This was also an upgrade, didn't come standard. So this is where all of our stuff is right now. We're about to start moving it upstairs as soon as I'm finished filming this. But we opted to also add on the shelf, not shelf, what is this called? The bench, and we can add hooks to it to hang coats and book bags and all that kind of stuff. It also has cubbies at the bottom and the bench to sit on. So that goes all the way to the wall over there. And then obviously off the mud room is the garage. So you would come in from the garage directly into the mud room, and then from the mudroom, you can go into the living room and kitchen area. So here is, or family room. So here's the family room. We opted for coffered ceilings, and then we also got a stone fireplace. And then the kitchen and breakfast room are over here. So we chose a light gray carpet in here. We chose stone that matches the front of the house. Is called ledge stone. It has like some warm tones, but also some cool tones in it. The mantle is also made of stone, and the fireplace is electric. Or no, what is it? Gas.
Propane.
Propane. Is that gas?
Yes, a gas.
Okay, so the fireplace is propane gas. So kitchen, mud room, so breakfast room, kitchen, mud room, garage, and then family room. And then off the family room to the left is the dining room. We chose to, did this stuff come standard? Or did we add this, the trim?
Yeah.
I think we added this trim to the dining room. And then we also, so it goes all the way around, even on this this pillar. And then we also added trim to the front door, so that it wouldn't be like just plain. So it's has all the trim on it too. So when you come in the front door, you can either go to the left, or from the front door be on the right to get to the dining room, or you can go to the left to get to the living room. So here is the living room. We did pre-wires for ceiling fans wherever they weren't included. And then we chose the foyer flooring to match the cabinets, and the stairs match the foyer flooring. So all three of them match, and it kind of goes throughout the house in that darker wood tone. Then to the left is my office. So again, we have a pre-wire. We got the Cat 6 cable down here. And this is the view from inside the office. There's two windows on the corners, so one right there, one right here. And then this office is like 10 by 11. And this is what it looks like from the door. And then from there we have a half bathroom. So it's just basic. We didn't upgrade anything in here. It has the same flooring as in the kitchen and family room. Looks different in here, or breakfast room, but it looks different in here because the lighting is so yellow. But yeah, this one is really basic. We didn't do anything to it. And then we have a closet right here. Oops. Okay, so now we're back out at the front door. So if you're walking in from the front door, this would be your view. You would see the living room, dining room, and then this is the entrance to the basement. That's where my office is, and this is the upstairs, and there's the family room, kitchen, all that stuff. So we're gonna go up to the upstairs. This is what the staircase looks like. This was an upgrade. We got the stairs painted and stained, so they're the same color as the foyer. We also got these metal spindles, and we made sure that the stringer was open, meaning that the spindles are going to go straight into the stair instead of into that like slanted piece of wood thing. I don't know what you call it, but if you can look up open stringer versus closed stringer and you'll see what I mean. So we got an open stringer on the steps. And then coming up the steps, this is the view. This huge arched window in the stairwell. I don't want to call this a stairwell, but in the foyer of the landing. Is this a landing? There's a huge arch window in the landing. There's also a chandelier right there. There are two alcoves so that we can put something decorative in those. And then we're just gonna continue up the steps. All right, so coming up the steps, the first door on the right is gonna be my youngest son's bedroom. So this is, I think his room is 11 by 12. It kind of mimics my office in that it has the two corner windows. My husband's talking to my son, so if you hear somebody talking, that is what you hear. This is the backyard. Y'all, we love this backyard. Is so freaking huge. But yeah, so this is what his room looks like when you're standing inside it. I'm standing in the corner beside the windows. So there's his closet. It's the same as the one downstairs, just really basic, except his extends a little bit more to each side than the other one. So that is his closet. And then coming out of his room, we're going back into the hallway. This hallway is so big. All right, we're going to the right, and the next room is going to be the bathroom. So this is the kids' bathroom. We added ceramic tile. We also added a decorative tile all the way around. We added this window up here so that they would have some natural light. And then we also added a recessed light above the shower. They just have a standard toilet. Nothing else in here is upgraded with the exception of the tile. So they have a normal standard bathtub. This was standard no matter if you got tile or if you got just like the shower surround. You were going to get this to match whatever you picked. And then they have double sinks. Again, up here everything is soft close. But up here I chose to go with a lighter cabinet color. Don't know yet if I regret that decision, but it is what it is. So we could always like paint them later or something, I don't know. But yeah, so this is the sink. We got a white and gray marble sink. This was standard. And then the standard option was just a normal big mirror that extends the whole width of the countertop. And then what's this? Just a normal light, just a normal builder grade light fixture. We got oil rub bronze on all the doors, hinges and all that. So our light fixtures are all oil rub bronze, but for some reason our fixtures on our sinks and stuff are not. Like this is not. But I think maybe they were having a hard time getting it or something. Y'all know that a lot is happening when it comes to like builders and stuff like that. So these are silver, but we're going to change them out. So this is the linen closet. Nice and big. A lot of stuff is going to fit in here, so I'm really happy about this. But it's just really basic. So if we're coming from Kane's room, this is the hallway, this is the bathroom, and then keep going straight, and this is Cody's room. So her room is also big. It's like 11 by 11. Let me get in the corner so I can show y'all. A lot of natural light in every room. So this is what her room looks like when you're standing inside of it. I'm in the back corner beside the windows. And then this is her closet. She's the only one that has a walk-in closet. And the reason for that is because she is going to be a teenage girl pretty soon. And I figured she would need a little bit more space. So that is why she has the biggest closet. And she also has a window in her closet as well. So love it. Oh yeah, and she has a recessed light in her closet. All of the kids' rooms are pre-wired for ceiling fans. We already ordered them, so stay tuned for that. And then next is Corey's room. So she has the same kind of windows that Cody has. Her room, I think, is 10 by 11. I think she has the smallest of the 3 rooms. So this is what her room looks like. And then her closet, I think, is also the smallest, if I'm not mistaken. It looks like it might be slightly smaller, if not the same size as Kane's. Might be a little bit smaller. But yeah, just a standard closet. Now going this way. So we're still in the hallway, but going into the laundry room. So this is the laundry room. It is huge. Never had a laundry room this big before. Fun fact, I've also never had a garage. So our washer and dryer are actually coming today between 4 and 8. So we're waiting for that, and that's going to be installed today. But this is, there's a little area right here. You can add base cabinets, you can add upper cabinets, you can add a countertop, you could potentially add a sink if you really wanted to, since there's already a water source in this room. But yeah, so that's the laundry room. It has the same flooring as all the other wet areas in the house, with the exception of the primary bedroom, because this is the standard option. And then now we're in the primary bedroom. So it is humongous. Let me see how I can get y'all like the best view. So this is what it looks like from the door. So it's split up into kind of 2 separate areas. This is the area where the bed is going to go. So this is like the actual bedroom part of it. And then there's the thermostat. There's the pre-wire for light fixtures. Every single room has a fire detector. And then it also comes with, and then we also have these 2 pillars which kind of separate the bedroom from the sitting area. And this is what the sitting area looks like. You can literally, this is probably like 9 feet. You can fit a full-size couch right here. It's really big. I know on camera it doesn't look like it, but it's really big. And then we put the pre-wire for the TV up here so that we can go ahead and mount the TV right here and put the couch right here. And that way we'll be able to watch TV in our room. And then this is my husband's closet. His closet is 10 by 7, so it is really big. No, 10 by 6. I'm sorry, 10 by 6. Really big, but just the standard wire shelving. I know this camera is not like doing this house any justice because it just looks small, but it's really big. And then this is the primary bathroom. So we have a really big tub. So big. It's huge. And then here's the shower. We got the same tile that we put in the kids' bathroom. And then we got this kind of like cool toned decorative tile to go in between. And then we have just a normal shower pan because we couldn't get a tiled floor unless we upgraded the entire bathroom. And it was like $15,000, and that wasn't gonna happen. So here is our double sink. Here's our vanity. And then again, with the oil rub bronze fixtures, even up here, we got the oil rub bronze boob light. And then we also have double sinks, like I said, with just the normal standard builder grade chrome fixtures. And then there's a drawer here for like my makeup and stuff. And then I love the fact that all the bathrooms come with these drawers so that it's really easy to like stay organized. These also come off the track. And then there's another cabinet here. This one does not work though. This one is inoperable. And then we have a water closet right here. So there is the water closet, same flooring. And then this is my closet. So his closet is 10 by 6 and mine is 17 by 6. So it's huge, like 17 feet by 6 feet. It's really, really, really big. The only thing in here so far is the stuff that I brought in the car, which is just like makeup, toothpaste, hair stuff. And then in here is the HVAC. And that's really it for the house tour. We do have a basement, but it's unfinished. It's pretty much the same size as every other floor, but again, it's unfinished, so there's really not much to see in the basement. It just looks like cement and no walls really. So yeah, that is it for this empty house tour. Stay tuned, y'all. There's gonna be plenty more videos of like decorating and all the things that come with having a new house. So I will see you guys in the next one.